What's up, guys? It's HOG Dude 1234. Going hog hunting again tonight. Heard that before. See if we can't have any luck. Well, I'm set up in the blind. Man, I'm sweating. Too many Bud Lights. It's warm today. I don't know if it's in the upper 80s or what, but glad I got this scent lock on. It'll get put to the test, I'm sure. Hopefully we'll see some hogs, and hopefully I'll get a shot. What do you think, Uncle Donnie? Should I have taken one of those jakes, man? I hope I didn't screw up by passing one of those. What do you think? It's pretty nice jakes. Dang. We could have sliced one of those suckers up and thrown it in the fryer tonight. Right back there where that sun's hitting that cactus. And that little stick is going across. That's the trail that come through right there. Kind of back to the right. I can see a little bit back through there, and the trail kind of goes back that way. So I'm hoping they come out right through there. I'm looking for movement back there beyond that cactus to hopefully be able to see them before they get out to this opening, so maybe I can get the camera turned on a little earlier and not have to mess with it whenever they get right up on me right here. You know what time it is? It's hole 30. Well, guys, no hogs tonight. Unfortunately, none came out, so anyway, it's about 9:30 right now. I wish I could sit out here for a couple more hours, but got to get home. So anyway, appreciate y'all coming along with me. I'm going to guarantee you I'm going to have some more hog hunting action here on HOG Dude 1234.